What if the next WhatsApp message someone receives could help a child go to school, provide a family with medical support, or bring clean drinking water to an entire community? The biggest challenge for most NGO is not finding the people who want to help. It's reaching them at the right time. People scroll social media posts, they ignore ads, emails often stay unread, and manually messaging hundreds or thousands of supporters is simply not practical. That's why smart NGOs are now taking donation campaigns directly on WhatsApp. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a highly engaging NGO donation campaign message using Pabbly Chatflow. Just look at this campaign template. It's designed to grab attention, create an emotional connection, and make it easy for supporters to donate. Whether your organization supports children's education, meals for underprivileged families, medical assistance, or clean drinking water projects, this broadcast system can help you reach more people and increase campaign participation. And the best part, you can send this campaign to hundreds or thousands of supporters automatically instead of contacting everyone manually. With this broadcast setup, you can upload your contact list once and send your donation campaign message to all your supporters in just few clicks. And that's the power of WhatsApp campaign broadcasting for NGOs. But before we build the complete setup, let me quickly introduce you the tool that makes everything possible, called Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is a powerful WhatsApp engagement platform that helps businesses, NGOs, educational institutes, and many other industries communicate with their audience on WhatsApp at scale. Using Pabbly Chatflow, you can create Meta-approved WhatsApp templates, send broadcast campaigns, build chatbots, automate journeys, and manage conversations from a single platform. For NGOs specifically, it can be used to share donation campaigns, fundraising drives, event invitations, awareness campaign, and supporter updates directly on WhatsApp. But before we move ahead, if you'd like to try Pabbly Chatflow for your own NGO, businesses, or organization, then you can sign up using the link provided in the description below. Once you create your account, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software. And if after testing the platform you decide to purchase a subscription, then don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout. Using this coupon code, you can get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans, helping you save money while getting access to all the powerful feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this broadcast setup. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this and select the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple features, and for creating a broadcast message, you have to go in this broadcast feature. Now, before we start creating the broadcast, let's quickly understand what the broadcast feature actually does. See, a broadcast feature allows you to send a single WhatsApp message to multiple contacts at the same time. Instead of opening individual chats and sending the same message again and again, you can simply create a message once, select your audience, and Pabbly Chatflow takes care of the rest. This is especially useful for NGOs because you can instantly share donation campaigns and important updates with all your supporters in just few clicks. For example, if your NGO has 5,000 supporters in its contact list, sending a campaign manually would take hours or even days, but with broadcast feature, you can reach all of them through a single setup, and every recipient receives the message directly in their personal WhatsApp chat. Now, for creating a new broadcast WhatsApp campaign, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, here you have to select the broadcast type that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast a name. I gave the name as NGO support campaign. Next, here in this field, you need to select the contact list to whom you want to send the donation campaign message. A contact list is a simple group of supporters that you have already imported into Pabbly Chatflow. I am selecting the list as new list. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts. You can also add contacts one by one manually as well as add in bulk. But I recommend you to add contacts in bulk because with the help of this, you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. Now here you need to upload the CSV file containing your contact list. If you are wondering what a CSV file is, don't worry. It is a simple file format used to store data in a clean and organized way. It is one of the most commonly used format for importing contacts into different software platforms. Let me show you an example. As you can see, this is my contact list created inside Google Sheets. You can create a same type of contact list using Excel as well. Once you have added all your contacts, the next step is to download the file in the CSV format. After downloading the file, come back to Pabbly Chatflow and upload it here. One more important thing to remember that Pabbly Chatflow only accepts CSV files for contact imports. Also, the maximum file size allowed for upload is 50 MB. For uploading a contact, click on this option, click on this add new file and simply drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload files button. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contacts. So this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you found this tool helpful till now, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount. After adding contacts, for creating a list, you have to click on this plus option. I have already created some contact list before, and this is the same list that I have selected here as new list, where I added only 68 contacts. Now the next one is refine audience. It is an optional. If you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contacts that does not receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contacts from this drop down. After that, you can enable this toggle if you want to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Now the next and the most important part of this setup, where you have to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting the message type from here and enter the message content in this field, but I recommend you to select a message type as pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After selecting this option, click on this button and select the template. See, I have already created this template before by the name of charity support campaign. Now with this template, I want to add one image too. So for that, I'm clicking on this option, selecting the image from here and clicking on this insert button. See, the image is uploaded successfully. So this is the final look of the template that is going to be sent to the user. Next, I'm clicking on this done button. Now for creating this type of attractive templates, you have to go towards this templates feature. See, this is the template feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can create different type of templates based on your multiple use cases. It is a predefined messages used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button and follow the instructions. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. I have already created some templates before, and this is the template that we are using in today's tutorial. After selecting the template, next I am going to test this broadcast message by entering a username as test user and entering my contact number in this field just only for the testing purpose. After entering my contact number, I am clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received the message message. This means that our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Next, you need to schedule the broadcast. If you want to immediately send this template to all the contacts that are present in this list, then you can select the option as no send instantly and click on this plus add broadcast button. But I am going to schedule this message for later, so I am selecting this option and selecting the date and time from here. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast on 25th of June at 1 p.m. See on 25 June 2026 at 1 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of the contacts that are present inside this list. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. Our NGO donation campaign broadcast is now completely ready. And here it is scheduled too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this button and export the report from here. As you can see throughout in this video, with Pabbly Chatflow, you can create a professional WhatsApp donation campaign, select your supporter list and reach hundreds or even thousands of people with just few clicks. Whether your organization focus on children's education, food distribution or any other social cause, this broadcast feature can help you spread awareness and connect with more supporters directly on WhatsApp. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I hope this tutorial helps you create more impactful campaigns and raise more support for your cause. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.